Hey guys, welcome back to the video. If your GE air conditioner is doing this every time you turn it on, well, I might just have just the fix for you. Let's get your house nice and cool, so let's get to it.
Before we get started in this fix, there's a lot of information floating out on the internet that shows that you could pull the UI board out of the air conditioner, you can cut the ground wire because of a moisture sensor, and it will cause your air conditioner to start working. However, this is exactly what happens in this next clip behind me.
So I cut the ground wire, and now you can see here that it's really just, it's blowing air and the air conditioning's on and it's cold, but you've lost all access to the control panel on the front panel. So we don't really want that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order the new UI board and we're gonna replace it, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. First things first, we're going to unplug the power to the air conditioner. Now that we got that out of the way, alright, so for this you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to use my set that's made for electricians.
Now you're just going to remove the two Phillips head screws that are on the left side and the right side of the GE air conditioner.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on. Alright, so now that we got the screws out, all we're going to do is pop the front panel loose.
I was having a hard time getting the top fins loose, but basically they just push up and in.
Pop that up. The fins are at the top. There's these little notches right there. What we're looking for is this cable right here. It's running in underneath this gray, okay? So we're just gonna peel the gray away.
What we're going to do now is peel the gray foam pad away that exposes the container for the UI board.
Did you like the video? Did you subscribe to my channel yet? So now what we're needing is in here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take these screws out. Let's go.
At this point, go ahead and start removing the Phillips head screws that are connected to the black box that contains the UI board.
Okay, now we're gonna take these three screws loose here.
Now we're going to take the screws out that hold the UI board together. Make sure you've unplugged power and then remove the two screws from the little power box. Removing one from the top, one from the bottom, and then pull it out. This right here is the connector that we need to remove. This part was really hard to film, but basically what you got to do is just pinch the connector from the bottom up and then pull it out. I'll put a link to this product down below from partselect.com. Next, you'll want to remove the Wi-Fi connection from the UI board. I think this issue is related to the capacitor that you can see on the far left side. It's actually removed from the old one and they have added one on the new one, so my guess is there's something wrong with that area on the board. Now we just need to plug the Wi-Fi connection back up to the UI board. Remember, the connection only goes one way, so face the angled connection parts on the connector towards the bottom of the board.
Don't forget to plug your cable back up. It's just going to go in there just the same way the other one did, the connector towards the bottom.
Don't forget to install the electrical box cover back inside. Just be sure not to pinch any wires and run the cables through the little holes that they have supplied. Now we can get the UI panel installed back into the UI panel board container. Make sure to route the wires through the wire channel so that they aren't pinched whenever you close the container. Now it's time to install the UI panel board inside the front cover. Go ahead and put the screws back in, get it nice and secure. Then go ahead and put the front cover back onto the air conditioner, followed by the screws, one on each side, to hold the front cover to the air conditioner.
All right, let's go. It's a moment of truth. She's blowing cold air again. So, anyway guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content just like this video. You're going to get solid, straight, honest advice from me and my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Break Fix Repair. Hope you have a great day.